To fix a front-load washer that won't drain, the most probable cause is a broken motor. If this is the case, start by checking for unusual noises, such as grinding sounds, or erratic movements, like an agitated spin. If you observe any of these issues, shut off the unit's power and water supply immediately. Next, disconnect all the hoses using channel lock pliers. Place cardboard on a flat surface and carefully lay the washer on its front panel. Remove the bolts, plastic cover, and drive belt to access the motor. Then, remove the motor system by unplugging its wire harness and mounting bolts. To install a new motor, simply fix it into the wire harness connection. Once the new motor is in place, reinstall the drive belt, plastic cover, and bolts. Finally, set the washing machine upright and reconnect its supply hoses. Then plug the unit back into its power and water supply. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a front-load washer that won't drain.